Ever notice how your manifestations technically should work, but something feels off? Like you're doing the affirmations, meditations, but your energy feels split. Let's go deeper and tune your frequency to truth. So, one of my friends once tried to manifest love. She wrote the list, played high vibe music, lit a candle, visualized a soulmate, and immediately got a text from her ex. Wrong frequency, my friends. Not because the universe is cruel, but because her subconscious still matched her vibration. What is the love vibration really? Everything in this universe is energy. Even you, even your cat, even your bank account. The love vibration isn't about acting high vibe. It's about being in truth, peace, and alignment. That's when the real shifts happen. In its deepest sense, the love vibration says this: you attract not what you want, but what you believe, feel, and assume as real. Your body, your emotions, even your breath carry frequencies. When you're craving abundance but living in anxiety, you're emitting scarcity. The universe responds to your signal, not your words. How to shift your vibration wisely? To truly raise your vibration, go beyond hype, go inward. Track your dominant emotion. Are you mostly hopeful or suddenly tense like a cat before a vet visit? Awareness is step one. Soften into trust. The nervous system must feel safe to let desires in. Breathe. Relax your jaw. Maybe even stop clenching like you're chewing on your taxes. Safety is magnetic. Honor your truth. You can't fake high vibes. The universe smells fakeness like bad perfume. But you can rise through honesty, love, and grounded joy. Body language check. Shoulders up, chin high. Walk like money's already in your pocket, even if it's lint right now. Gratitude is your secret weapon. Every thank you is like hitting the vibe up button on your soul remote. Bonus points if you do it in your best opera voice. Cut low vibe content. If you scroll and feel like trash, unfollow. Your vibe deserves better than deity ads and drama queens. Let's do this quick visualization. Close your eyes for a moment. Breathe in deep. Now imagine a golden light entering through the top of your head, moving gently through your heart and resting in your belly. This is the frequency of trust, of ease, of allowing. Now repeat silently. I am the embodiment of my deepest desires. I receive with grace. I radiate truth. Feel that. That's your essence, unshaken by fear or force. If this touched something real in you, like, subscribe, and share this with your favorite manifestor in the making. Remember, it's not about chasing your desires, it's about aligning so clearly that they chase you. You are the signal. Tune in, stay true. Now, go out there and vibe like your manifestations are already knocking at the door. Because, spoiler, they are. See you soon, co creators.